Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techno Sujata. In this video we will learn how to make animated video from audio.
Just search audio to animate. From search results choose Adobe website. Click on upload your video button. It will redirect it to page where you will create an animated video. First, let's choose character. You can choose any characters from category like humans, creatures, food, emojis, animals. Let's choose one of this category. On left side, you can see once I have selected character it is reflecting there. For now making animated video we need humans character, let's choose that. We can also resize character as per background position. Then you can choose background for character from available pictures. If you want to add other background pictures, just click on upload image and upload new one. After that you can add size for your video. Choose size from given options like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. For now we are making YouTube videos, so let's choose YouTube. I want to choose different character for my video. So let's choose that. To add audio file you can click on browse button. Choose audio file and upload it. If you don't have audio file to upload, just click on record button to record audio. Once audio file uploaded it will give you video preview. You can see animated video preview. Then if you want to download video you need to sign up. You can also explore other features of Adobe Express after sign up. So friends, if you like this interesting video don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do share this video with your friend and family. Till then keep learning, bye bye.